Love or infatuation? They feel the same until they don't. Let's find out which one you're feeling. Number 1. You think about them all the time. When you're infatuated, your thoughts are constantly filled with this person. You think about what they're doing, who they're with, and what they might be thinking of you. It starts to feel like an obsession rather than affection. You may even lose focus on your work, goals, or other relationships because your mind is always on them. Number 2. You want them to like you more than you want to know them. If you're more focused on making someone like you than truly getting to know who they are, it's likely infatuation. You might dress to impress, say things you don't mean, or hide parts of yourself to look more attractive. You prioritize their attention and approval, often at the cost of honesty. In love, you're curious about their story, values, and feelings, not just their opinion of you. Real connection grows from understanding, not performance. Number 3. You rush into deep emotions quickly. Feeling deeply connected too soon can feel magical, but it might be a red flag. You might be declaring love in days or imagining your future together after only a few conversations. It feels intense and romantic, but you may not really know them yet. True love grows over time, through real moments, challenges, and shared experiences. If your feelings feel overwhelming and rushed, take a step back to check if it's love or just fantasy. Number 4. You ignore red flags. Sometimes we see warning signs, but we don't want to believe them. You might notice lies, mood swings, or rude behavior, but you brush it off because you're caught up in how they make you feel. Infatuation blinds you to things that could hurt you later. In love, you face the truth even when it's uncomfortable. Love includes honesty, not just happiness. Number 5. You're afraid of losing them all the time. Infatuation often comes with fear and insecurity. You worry they'll leave, that you're not good enough, or that they might stop liking you any moment. This makes you anxious, clingy, or overly sensitive to small changes. Real love gives a sense of safety and peace. You feel accepted even on your bad days. If fear is louder than trust, it's not love yet. Number 6. You imagine a perfect future but not the present. When you think more about the future than the now, you might be in a dream, not a relationship. You picture vacations, weddings, and growing old together, but in reality, your conversations are shallow or filled with silence. Real love exists in the present in shared laughter, honest talks, and day-to-day support. It's okay to dream, but love is built on what's real, not what's imagined. Ask yourself, are we truly close today? Number 7. You don't feel truly known or accepted. This is the most important one. Love means being able to show your real self, your fears, your flaws, your weird habits, and still feel safe. If you feel like you have to act perfect all the time or hide your struggles, it's not love. Infatuation often comes with pressure to impress, but real love accepts the whole you, not just the highlights. Infatuation is fast and fiery. Love is steady and true. Don't confuse the spark for something real. Take your time and protect your heart.